Hello everyone and welcome to this Tella pricing explainer. Choosing the right screen recording tool usually comes down to a frustrating financial compromise. You either settle for basic, low-resolution internal communication apps with strict time caps, or you get buried under massive, high-priced editing suites. Today, we're breaking down the exact numbers to see if this platform can solve that problem for you. Now, whether you're an independent creator building an online course, a startup founder recording rapid product updates, or an agency looking to deliver polished client presentations, understanding how these tiers scale is critical to protecting your business budget. In this comprehensive evaluation, we'll dive deep into every single financial tier available on this platform. We'll analyze the strict limitations of the introductory trial experience, break down the core features of the main individual plan, inspect the advanced branding tools unlocked in the higher tier packages, and contrast the monthly versus annual billing models. If you want to try these premium features yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and 20% off your first 3 months. So let's jump straight in. Now, to kick things off, we need to clear up a major piece of confusion regarding how to test the software. Unlike traditional corporate messaging utilities that lock you into a permanently restricted freemium tier, this platform operates on a dedicated trial model rather than maintaining a permanent $0 free subscription tier. To get your hands on the interface, you start by visiting the main site at Tella.com and navigating directly to the Start Free sign-up funnel. This initial phase grants you absolute access to the entire core functionality of the platform for a full 7 days. During this trial window, you can run the application inside your web browser or download the native macOS app or Windows app to test desktop capture. You can record unlimited clips, experiment with the automatic transcription engine, and play around with the dynamic layout settings. However, it is vital to know that any video assets you choose to export during this trial window will carry a small localized digital watermark and are generally restricted to standard high-definition output. This tier is explicitly designed as a testing ground to see if the processing speed fits your workflow before any actual money leaves your bank account. Now, once your 7-day trial window wraps up, you will look toward the first major paid tier, which is the Pro plan. Now, if you choose to pay a month-to-month basis, this tier sits at $26 per month. However, if you shift your financial commitment over to the annual billing track, the pricing effectively drops down to $13 per month, billed as a single lump sum of $156 for the 12-month period. This annual toggle is a massive cost-saving strategy if you intend to produce multi-clip tutorials or monthly course content over the long haul. The moment you upgrade to this tier, the system completely removes all watermarks from your finished media assets and lifts all cap restrictions on your video generation. Now, with the Pro Plan workspace, you unlock the ability to export your content in crisp, high bitrate resolution up to 4K at 60 frames per second for shorter video segments. Furthermore, this tier fully opens up the integrated AI editing tool suite. This means you gain instantaneous access to the automated silence removal toggle and the smart filler word trimmer, which automatically identifies and cuts out dead air, ums and ahs across your timeline in 2 seconds. You also get full access to the automated subtitles generation hub, allowing you to translate and burn captions into your footage across 106 global languages without paying extra for external transcription apps. This makes the individual paid tier the absolute sweet spot for solo content creators who want a fast, independent production environment. If you want to try Tella yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and 20% off your first 3 months. Now, if your digital production demands go beyond individual creation and require advanced distribution, your focus will naturally shift toward the premium plan. This tier is positioned for high-volume creators, growing stage startups, and digital agencies who need complete control over how their media looks to external audiences. On the standard monthly billing cycle, this package sits at around $39 per month, but toggling to the annual agreement drops the effective cost significantly down to $19 per month, making it an entirely manageable expense for a growing business. The defining upgrade inside this tier is the absolute removal of all processing bottlenecks. You get completely unlimited length on full 4K 60 frames per second video export, which is a massive technical requirement if you're producing long-form, high-resolution educational modules or detailed developer walkthroughs. More importantly, this package opens up the highly coveted custom branding hub. Instead of sending your clients or students to a standard link, this tier allows you to route your shared video pages through your own custom web domain. You can upload your personal corporate logo, select specific brand color palettes for the background canvas, and fully customize an interactive video player wrapper. Additionally, this tier upgrades your analytic capabilities by moving you from basic view counters to the advanced analytics dashboard. This tracking suite gives you precise data on viewer completion percentages, rewatch hotspots, and specific timestamps where users drop off. It even lets you place custom call to action buttons directly alongside the video player, allowing you to instantly convert tutorial viewers into paying customers or newsletter subscribers. For larger operations, corporate entities, or cross-functional departments, the platform offers a dedicated enterprise tier. This package uses a per-user, multi-seat pricing structure designed to facilitate smooth asynchronous collaboration. When you establish a collaborative workspace, team members do not just get individual recording accounts. They are brought into a unified shared playlist library. This functional hub allows multiple content creators, page managers, or editors to view, organize, and edit page assets inside a centralized corporate ecosystem without constantly downloading and transferring massive raw files back and forth. Administrators gain full access to the user management dashboard, which provides robust security protocols including single sign-on, SCML authentication, and automated identity provisioning via SCIM. You also get access to dedicated migration tools such as the integrated Loom migration tool and the batch import tool, which makes moving your company's entire legacy video library over from older platforms completely and seamlessly. This corporate tier also secures you a direct line to the priority support and a dedicated shared Slack communication channel with the platform's core engineering team to ensure your business operations never face technical downtime. When you weigh these plans against traditional alternatives, the financial math makes a lot of sense for active creators. If you're only using video for quick internal messages to tell a colleague thanks for the document, a basic corporate messenger with a 5-minute limit is probably completely sufficient. But if you're trying to build an audience, sell an online course, or present software to a high-paying client, basic messaging apps fall short because they lack editing features. By paying for this specialized platform, you are essentially combining a screen recorder, an automated audio cleanup tool, a subtitle generator, and a video editor into one clean subscription fee. It eliminates the need to pay for 3 separate software subscriptions, saving you both software fees and hours of tedious manual cutting in post-production. Choosing the ideal plan comes down to analyzing your specific monthly video output and your target audience. If you're completely new to the ecosystem, starting with a 7-day trial is an absolute no-brainer to test your local hardware performance. If you're a solo YouTuber or educator, the annual individual plan provides the absolute highest value for your dollar, giving you pristine 4K quality and rapid AI trimming tools without breaking the bank. On the flip side, if you're running a brand where client perception is everything, upgrading to the premium tier is entirely justified simply to unlock custom domains and personalized branding. So if you're ready to stop fighting over complicated video timelines and start scaling your professional video production today, make sure to take immediate action by using my exclusive link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and 20% off your first 3 months. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.